And now, razor, we will define the bottom line. Now, razor refinements. We're gonna etch in our C cup. I like to have big, voluminous hair. We're gonna be using the Unite Texture Spray. It's a dry finishing spray. Now, whenever you're adding a texture into already textured hair, you wanna be sure to keep the hairspray a distance away and use small sprays to evenly coat the hair. Creating a silhouette. And there you have it. That's a haircut. Yeah.